Okay, we're at day 2 on this Opel here, 2013 Opel. And so now we are going to have to jump this car. I got my car here, and we're gonna have to jump it. I've got to put back in the lock here because I got to go in from the passenger side. So I cut a new key. So now we're gonna go program it. So let's make it happen. Okay, first I put this back on. That just slid right in. Now we got to get inside here. There's a little screw in there. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. But you see it. There it is. So I had to go buy a little tool. It's called a torque wrench. Right here. T20. That's what it is. So there it is. Woo! There it is. There she blows. So I'm just going to go in here and just, find out what it is and screw it in. I'll save you the aggravation because I need both hands, man. I don't have my little neck thing going. So let's put it in and then we'll start programming. Okay, so last night I couldn't show you the key, how it worked. Here it is. One thing I found is you got to get it in there and gotta get rid of some of the, I guess maybe just kind of sand it down sort of in there, right? Otherwise it doesn't work, see, but it works fine now, right? Now it works fine, but you gotta jiggle this here. Look at that, there's nothing to do with that. Hang on, you have to get this, but no problem with the key. I need 2 hands for this. So problem is this guy's got no battery, man. He's dead, so I'm dead in the water until we can get the battery figured out. Okay, the game is back on. I couldn't figure out what I did with my jumper cables that were good because the other ones sucked and they didn't work very well, and just gonna chuck them, man. They don't even do nothing, man. So I got the car now hooked to the battery. Now I gotta see, is this gonna be enough battery to get the job done? So we're all hooked up. Okay, we got it all hooked up. So let's see if we're gonna be able to do this, man. I don't know. It's got to have enough juice in there. So I'm gonna hook up we're gonna go play Find the OBD. But if you remember one of my other videos, I found that the app shows me where it is. So let's see if you probably have to hook it up to the OBD to find out where the OBD is, right? I don't know. Let's go figure it out. Would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? I did not have to hook it up to the car. I just went to vehicle emo information. I went to emo. And then here, I'll just show you the route, man. Just kind of, you see that? I went to manual selection. See if I can show you where it's at. I picked the car, the type of car. Hang on, right? I just picked the type of car. And I don't know what the heck that is, man. Now I'm hooked up to my WhatsApp. All right, so here, this is a Berlina 2009 plus. Okay, and then yes. Okay, hang on. Vehicle emo information shows me what kind of key it is and where. Look at that bad boy right there is where the OBD is, man. I love it, man. I do not need to play where's the OBD again. I got my own cheater right here. Yeah, let's go dig it up now and see if it's really there, man, or they just faking it out. Exactly where they said it would be, it's there. Now, is that some kind of a surprise? No! We now have the OBD cheater. Check it out, man. Let's hook it up and let's see if we can get this bad boy going. See if it has enough battery. We got enough voltage. All right, man, I feel a chicken dance coming on. Ooh, that's kind of like getting a little, FLW, famous last words. Come on, man, let's see what happens. So I hit all keys lost. I'm trying to contact my teacher, find out if I'm doing the right thing, but you know me, man, I just kind of go for it. You know what I'm saying? Got this far, right? Still looking good on the battery. So let's see what happens, man. Do we got a chicken dance coming, or we're gonna be doing the OAV dance? I don't know, man. Let's see what happens. Okay, moment of truth is coming. At least we know the key works. Okay, newbie mistake again. So what did I do? I tried to program just a key, simple key, and it didn't work. So I reached out to the teacher, and then he told me to try doing an X source. So I looked it up and I saw what I have, and I have it, and I put it in, and I tried to program it. Did not work. Guess what I forgot to do? Program the fob, the remote. So I went back, and you'll see I got a little image for you that to generate the remote. I had to generate it. And now we're back here trying to do this project here. I don't know if I can make a simple key. I think it's just right now all keys lost is where I'm at. That's what I had to do. I had to go to do an all keys lost. And now I'm just waiting. It's going to take me, 12 minutes. I got 633.1 seconds, until this, the moment of truth arrives, or a little bit more than that. But anyway, let's see what happens. And I do want to find out if I can make a simple key as well. So let's wait, see. And in the meantime, I'm going to go learn some Torah, man. That's what I do when I'm waiting. Okay, if you don't know what Torah is, it's the Bible. I'm one of them Bible reading guys, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, okay. You hear that, ladies and gentlemen? That is the car running. It turned on. Now, I think I made a boo-boo though, but we'll find out that when it said switch the ignition on, it turned the car on. So let's see what's going to be, if it's going to work out. Okay, switch ignition off. Okay. Step on the brake for, 5 seconds. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. Oh, switch ignition on, excuse me. It's on. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. Okay. Switch ignition off. Remove the key. Okay. Matching complete. Let's see what happens now. Oh. Oh, it works. Chicken dance! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Chicken dance! Chicken dance! Woo! All right, man, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. Switch it on. The car is running! And check this out, man. Check it out. Look at this, man. Look. Locked. Unlocked. Man, I'm telling you, this dude got the deal of the day. All right, man. Whew. So let me go over the steps so I don't forget, right? Okay, so the first thing that I have to do is go check out what kind of let me rewind. Okay, the first thing I have to do is check out what kind of a remote I'm going to need. Then I find the remote, and then I program the remote. And then I come in and I do my programming, and this is an all keys lost situation. So, it'll erase whatever the past keys were. So if he finds them, too bad. So now, and then I just follow the procedure, what it says. So it worked out. Bo Hashem, which means praise God. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah. All right, so I'm gotta go do something else, man. Okay. Boomer Locksmith, check it out. Maybe I'm checking in. Who knows? But whatever it is, man, I'm gonna do it. You go do it too. All right, man, I'm checking back in. So the teacher got back to me and he says, yeah, the procedure's like this. He says, when you have an all keys lost situation, first you got to do the remote. After you do the remote, then you can make a spare key. What you'll do is you'll go and you'll clone the remote on the mini key tool or whatever you're going to use for something like that, and follow the instructions from the mini key tool, how to do it. And that should give you the spare key, which I could go do, but I'm not going to do it. Originally, I was just going to give him this simple key. But, because the guy had a lock that, there's no way to locking the car. I know I should charge him more for it, but he seems like a very nice old man. And, I'll still make a good profit. And I could do also something nice for my fellow human being. You know what I'm saying? All right. So there you have it, man. So now I think I'm going to go have some lunch, man.